Easy English. Airbus A400M Atlas. The Airbus A400M Atlas is a versatile military transport aircraft designed and manufactured by Airbus Defence and Space. It is a multi-role airlifter that combines strategic and tactical capabilities, designed to meet the requirements of various military organizations around the world. Here are some key features and information about the A400M Atlas. Purpose: the A400M Atlas is primarily designed to perform military airlift missions, including transporting troops, cargo, and vehicles, as well as conducting aerial refueling operations. It can also be used for humanitarian missions, medical evacuation, and search and rescue operations. Size and capacity: the A400M Atlas has an overall length of 45.1 meters and a wingspan of 42.4 meters. It has a cargo hold measuring 17.71 meters in length, 4 meters in width, and 3.85 meters in height. The aircraft can carry up to 116 fully equipped troops or a payload of up to 37 metric tons. Range and speed: the A400M Atlas has an operational range of approximately 3,300 nautical miles with a full payload. It is capable of flying at a maximum speed of Mach 0.72, around 900 km per hour at high altitudes. Advanced avionics: the A400M Atlas is equipped with advanced avionics and mission systems that enhance its capabilities. It features a state-of-the-art glass cockpit with a digital fly-by-wire flight control system, allowing for precise and efficient handling. The aircraft is also equipped with modern communication systems and defensive aids for enhanced situational awareness and protection. Short takeoff and landing capability: one of the notable features of the A400M Atlas is its ability to operate from short and unpaved runways. It can take off and land on runways as short as 980 meters, allowing for greater flexibility in accessing austere or remote areas. Power and propulsion: the A400M Atlas is powered by 4 Europrop International TP400D6 turboprop engines, each producing around 11,000 shaft horsepower. These engines provide the necessary thrust for the aircraft to operate in various conditions, including hot and high-altitude environments. International collaboration: the A400M Atlas is the result of an international collaboration among several European countries. The program was initiated by the Organization for Joint Armament Cooperation, OCCAR, and involved partner nations such as Belgium, France, Germany, Luxembourg, Spain, Turkey, and the United Kingdom. The Airbus A400M Atlas offers a modern and capable transport solution for military forces, combining long-range capabilities, cargo capacity, and the ability to operate in challenging environments. Its versatility and advanced features make it a valuable asset for a wide range of military and humanitarian missions. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe to this channel.